The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the general formatting that is expected from employers when reviewing resumes and application materials. Some things to consider are that employers are using what is called an applicant tracking system. This is essentially a document scanning program that is scanning your document for keywords that have been identified in the job description and on the company webpage. It is important that you reflect the language utilized in these locations so that the applicant tracking system can pick up on the keywords and you're flagged as a well-qualified applicant. These document scanning programs cannot detect images or color within a document. Assume that they are only able to read the text on the page. In order to work with the ATS systems, you are able to use a template, but keep in mind that the first time you fill in a template, it is relatively easy to use. However, as you gain more experiences and want to add to the template, they tend to be very difficult to edit. There are a few exceptions to the following formatting tips, and those would be programs such as graphic design, mechanical design, architectural technology, and visual communications. These are programs that often recommend that you have a creative resume that reflects the personal brand that you develop throughout your time at the college. General formatting tips for creating a resume include margins that are no narrower than 0.75 inches all around to about 1 inch wide. For font, we recommend that you use Times New Roman, Calibri, or Arial fonts, as these are recognized by most operating systems and can easily be picked up by those ATS programs. In terms of font size, your name should be the biggest and boldest thing on the page. Most students opt to use anywhere between the size 16 to 28 bold font. As for everything below your name, you can use a text size of about 10.5 to 11. There are certain things on your document that should be in a bold font. This would include your name, the section headings, and titles that you've held or degrees you've earned. If an employer prints out your resume or looks at it on a screen, their eyes are drawn to the things that are in bold on the page. Without even reading the content, they're able to see that your section headings indicate you're a well-rounded applicant and that the titles you've held and degrees you've earned are related to the field that you're applying to. In terms of colors and images, again, we recommend that you use black and white font and text only, and that you do not include any additional images or lines.